Hello everybody, it's Emily and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys some different hairstyles that I do for my shorter hair. The first hairstyle, and probably like the easiest, and anybody can do it because these are literally so cheap to buy, but our first best friend is headband. I have a couple of headbands here that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, but yeah, this is just a really cute accessory. I have this like little pom-pom headband thing. And this I actually got from Forever 21. I'm pretty sure you can find these like anywhere, but I love this because it's black and I don't know, it's just super cute. But yeah, it just looks like that. And I like to leave, and you're gonna see this in a bunch of my hairstyles, but I like to personally leave this hair out here in the front because I feel that it frames my face. If you like to wear your hair back, which I don't, because my face shape is just so weird and like so uneven. I personally hate my face shape so much, and that is why I kind of, you know, cover it up with my hair. But if you really wanted to, you could wear these pushed back, which is also kind of a cute look. It's just depending on how you're feeling. I personally don't really care for my hair back, but like I said, you can do whatever. I also really like the kitty ear ones, so that's kind of what that looks like. I don't know, I like little ear type of accessories. If you guys couldn't tell, like you guys are gonna see, but yeah, so there's those kitten ear ones, which you can probably just like, you can probably look for all of these on like Amazon or Wish or whatever. You can buy like stuff super cheap. Halloween is a really good time to get like accessories or like cat ear accessories or stuff like that. This headband here is actually an iGirl headband, and this is one of my favorite headbands ever. Like, this is so awesome and unique, and it has like the little iGirl. Love this so freaking much. Like, it's so cute, and that's what it looks like. It's just like, I don't know, it's so perfect because it's just like the outline of like little horns, and it's silver, so that's awesome. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. Again, you can leave the hair out, but that's what that looks like. I don't think these are meant to be like a headband. I think these are just meant to be like a head accessory. So that's what those look like. Again, these are iGirl. This is $20, but you're not gonna find a headband like this anywhere. So I found this headband at Forever 21 a couple of months ago, and these were super trendy in the 90s. I don't know if you guys remember these type of headbands. I'm not sure if they make these anymore, like if you can just go to Walmart and buy one of these. But I was super excited when I found this because this makes the coolest like design in your hair. So it's like you don't even have to get a haircut, you don't have to do anything, you just put this little headband on and it's amazing. So basically, this one you're obviously gonna have to wear like pushed with your hair pushed back. So this is kind of like the Britney Spears look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it kind of just gives you like an illusion of like super tight braids. It's just a really cute look, especially if you're going for like a 90s look. Put a picture somewhere here what it looks like. It just looks like those like super tight, you know, braids that everybody used to do, like Britney Spears and everybody like that. So yeah, that's just what that one looks like. Okay, so this is one of my favorite go-to styles to do, especially if my hair is a little bit more messy that day. So you can take one of these clips. You can buy these at like Walmart or wherever, like Target, but they're just like small clips. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what these look like. I like taking the black ones because I have black hair. And basically what I do is I just kind of take these little front sections out. Like that, and then you have a little cute hairstyle. And you can keep some hair out here. Like, I just like doing it like this. You kind of like pull this hair to the front, but you have it in the back like that. But yeah, you can like pull hair out, more hair if you want. You can pull it out here. You can also like push this up, which I like doing, kind of giving some volume up at the top. And I just like, I love having like messy kind of hair. So like if it looks messy, I honestly don't really care that much. But yeah, that's just a quick and easy one to do. Another quick, easy little thing, I have a bunch of like clips here. So I have like these like star clips. I have some like tiny little clips here. And then I have a bunch of colored barrette things here. And then I have some colored rubber bands. Like, you can take these little clips, and these, they just look like that. Cute like Y2K look, cute 90s look. And that's what that looks like. I personally don't like how this looks on me. Like I said, I don't like having my hair pushed back too much, but yeah, this is just another like super easy little thing to do. That's another little cute look to do. These barrettes are really fun to play around with as well, but I just like doing the classic 2. That you kind of have to mess around with it to get them even, but you guys get the gist of what it is. But basically you can just do that. That's another cute little, you know, simple fun look to do. I have like bigger clips like this one, just go a little bit further back, and I personally like these better on my face shape because they're just a little bit bigger. And then of course you can use colored hair bands to kind of spice up the look a little bit if you wanted to. So these are littler ones, and I'm pretty sure you can get all of these like at the dollar store or Walmart. Like the Dollar Tree sells these, Walmart sells them. I'm not sure if Target sells them. But there's like a little one. Okay, so I have my little arsenic cup of hair clips and stuff. I have a bunch of other little accessories here. So I have these little bat wings, which I actually got from Wish, and I would say don't get these because they're kind of a waste of money because they're literally just felt. Like, you can make these yourself. These are just felt little bat wings, and it's like on a clip. You can literally just make these yourself, so don't waste your money unless you really want these, but they're super cheap and obviously not gonna last forever. But basically how you clip these in is you kind of just have to play around with these a little bit. You just kind of have to play around with these. So I also have these iGirl hair clips, and these are the Anarchy hair clips. Obviously you can do it a little bit more straighter than that, but that's what those look like. There's different variations you can do with these. Like, you can put 2. I also have some little devil horns. I got these last Halloween. I went searching for these everywhere, and I found these at Spirit Halloween. You want to go to Spirit Halloween, but I know you can find these on Depop. They have like little acrylic ones, and you can also find them on Wish. But I just like these. Like, Wish has the acrylic ones that are like pink, purple, green, white, black, like different colors. They also have red, but I'm kind of just doing this really fast. Like, obviously if I'm actually doing these looks, I'm gonna take my time, but there's a bunch of hairstyles I want to show you guys, so I'm just kind of doing it really fast. But that's what that looks like. They're just little horns. I think they're super cute to like just wear on their own. Like, and I also have some pictures of me wearing these on my Instagram, so you guys can go check that out. So next hairstyle I want to talk about is like little updos. There's a bunch of different little updos you guys can do. My favorite is these little pigtails. So that's what that looks like. Like I said, you guys can pull these up a little more. Obviously not like that, but you guys get the point. Like I said, I have some pictures of a lot of these hairstyles on my Instagram, so go just check out my Instagram for some inspo. These, I feel like, don't look that great with straight hair. A bunch of these hairstyles look a lot better with curled hair. I like doing these pigtails with curled hair. It just personally, it gives you a lot more volume, and I don't know, I just think it looks a lot better. We also have the variation of, this is just a different variation of the pigtails. And then once you get to the last end, I bring it through, not all the way, just like that kind of. And then I kind of just wrap the rest of the hair around it and kind of just play around with it, kind of smush it down a little bit, and then take another rubber band and put it in. You can put some bobby pins in it to kind of hold it down and make a better looking bun. This is another hairstyle, super easy one. And like I said, I like to make my hair a little bit more messy on the messy side, so just like whatever your preference is, but it's like almost like a Lydia Dietz kind of look. But I like that, doing that. And then you can also like turn that into a bun. So again, you kind of just have to play around with it until you get it to how you like it. So since my hair is now a little bit longer and a little bit thicker, I just personally use these regular hair ties. If you have shorter hair, thinner hair, I would use these little like mini rubber band things. I'm going to show you guys another one of my favorite looks. It's more of like almost, I don't know if it would be considered like a mall goth type of look, but it's more of a like alternative look. But basically you kind of keep this front section out and then you grab some hair from the top of your head here and then you kind of just braid it. And so now you have a braid here at the front, and I just think that's a really cute look. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a braid here at the front. And I also have pictures of me doing this, but little braids like this in the hair I just think are really cute. And then you can go ahead and do another one on this side. Okay, so now it is in the hair, just looks like that. So you have these two little strands here, which I don't know, I just think it's a cute little thing to do if you're like super bored with your hair or something. Yeah, and you could do multiple ones if you really wanted to, but I just personally like the two at the front. So this is a super easy look to do if you're super lazy, you don't know what to do with your hair. I just like taking, again, these sections out here at the front, and then I just put it into a little bun, and it just looks like that. Little bun here at the bottom. Yeah, that's another really good go-to look I like to do. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it helped you and gave you some inspiration to, you know, do different little hairstyles. If you have shorter hair, tell me what your favorite hairstyles are, and if you have any different hairstyles that I didn't mention here that would probably look cute on me, because I'm always looking for different hairstyles to do. So yeah, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.